What is a quality assurance engineer?
Quality assurance engineers are vital members of software development teams. They focus on ensuring that software products are reliable, functional, and meet user requirements. QA engineers work closely with developers and stakeholders to identify issues early, prevent defects, and guarantee that products maintain a high level of quality before release.
Core responsibilities of a QA engineer.
Key responsibilities for QA engineers include designing and executing test plans, writing and maintaining detailed test cases, and identifying software bugs. They also collaborate on creating automated test scripts, report findings to the team, and help define best practices for testing. Their role often involves verifying fixes and ensuring products align with customer expectations.
Manual and automated testing.
QA engineers use both manual and automated testing methods. Manual testing involves actively exploring the application to find issues, simulating real user scenarios. Automated testing relies on scripts and tools to run repetitive tests efficiently across different environments. Combining these approaches helps to achieve thorough coverage and improves the overall reliability of the software.
Essential technical skills.
Successful QA engineers are skilled in using bug tracking and test management tools like Jira or TestRail. They often know programming or scripting languages such as Python, Java, or JavaScript to develop automated tests. Familiarity with testing frameworks, version control systems, and continuous integration tools is also essential for effective QA work.
Critical soft skills for QA engineers.
Strong analytical thinking and attention to detail are vital for spotting issues that could affect users. QA engineers also need effective communication skills to report findings clearly and collaborate with developers. Problem-solving abilities and adaptability help them respond to new challenges and evolving project requirements in a fast-paced development environment.